Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another interesting geometric problem. In the given question, ABCD is a square. A line segment BE, of length x, is drawn from vertex B, to a point E, on the side CD, such that DE is equal to 5, and angle ABE is equal to 75 degrees. Our goal is to find the value of x. Before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me and enables me to create more content. Thank you. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try, and tell us your answer in the comment section. To solve this problem, first, let's focus on the square. Since ABCD is a square, all its interior angles are 90 degrees. And it follows that angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees, and angle BCE is equal to 90 degrees. Given that angle ABE is equal to 75 degrees, since AB is parallel to CD, the alternate interior angle BEC is equal to angle ABE, which is equal to 75 degrees. Next, let's focus on triangle BCE. In the right-angled triangle BCE, with hypotenuse, BE, equal to x. The length of EC is equal to x times the cosine of 75 degrees. The length of BC, side of the square, is equal to x times the sine of 75 degrees. Because ABCD is a square, all sides are equal in length, so BC is equal to CD. From the figure, CD is equal to DE plus EC, where DE is equal to 5. CD is equal to 5 plus EC. Since BC is equal to CD, we can say that BC is equal to 5 plus EC. But BC is equal to x times the sine of 75 degrees, and EC is equal to x times the cosine of 75 degrees. Substituting these values in the above expression will give us x times the sine of 75 degrees is equal to 5 plus x times the cosine of 75 degrees. Rearranging this will give us x times the sine of 75 degrees minus x times the cosine of 75 degrees is equal to 5. Next, let's factor out x from both terms on the left side. Doing this will give us x multiplied by the sine of 75 degrees minus the cosine of 75 degrees is equal to 5. Let this be equation 1. The sine of 75 degrees is equal to the square root of 6 plus square root of 2, all divided by 4. The cosine of 75 degrees is equal to the square root of 6 minus square root of 2, all divided by 4. The sine of 75 degrees minus the cosine of 75 degrees is equal to the square root of 6 plus square root of 2 minus the square root of 6 minus the square root of 2, all divided by 4. Expanding the bracket will give us the square root of 6 plus square root of 2 minus the square root of 6 plus the square root of 2, all divided by 4. The square root of 6 minus the square root of 6 will cancel out. The square root of 2 plus square root of 2 is equal to 2 times the square root of 2. And we are left with 2 times the square root of 2 divided by 4, which simplifies to the square root of 2 divided by 2. Going further, let's substitute the sine of 75 degrees, minus the cosine of 75 degrees, with the square root of 2 divided by 2, in equation 1. Doing this, will give us, x, times the square root of 2 divided by 2, is equal to 5. By cross multiplication, x, times the square root of 2, is equal to 5, times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. So, x times the square root of 2 is equal to 10. Dividing through by the square root of 2, the square root of 2 will cancel out, and we are left with x is equal to 10 divided by the square root of 2. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 2. And this will give us 10 times the square root of 2 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And we are left with x is equal to 5 times the square root of 2, which is approximately 7.07. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.